Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compose and send email on iPhones. First step there, and then you have to type in who you want to send this email to. For example, just type in example@example.com, and then tap the plus icon there, and then there it says from which email, and then add the subject, so example, and then you can just type in the email there, and then once you're done, you just tap on the blue button on the top right, and then it will be sent, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.